Mail app, when there's an issue with the Mail's application configuration or rendering engine, it might start showing the emails in raw HTML form, which is difficult to read. So in this video, we will show you some solutions. The first thing that we recommend doing is ensuring that you have a stable internet connection. This is because, like any other app, the Mail app needs to connect to the internet to display for the content of emails properly. And for the next step, re-add the email account in the Mail app. This will reset their configuration, fixing the error in the process. So do it by opening the Mail app, choose the gear icon, click on Manage Accounts, choose a problematic account, select Delete account from this device, and once the account is removed, add it back again and check if doing so makes any difference. And lastly, repair or reset the Mail app by opening Apps and Features, go to Mail app, select More Options, click Advanced Options, and scroll down to reset or uninstall the app. And those are the following ways if your Windows 11 Mail app is showing HTML code for emails in your computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.